Meet son Kuriza. The offspring from one of the combatants for the tournament of... You remember him. This child is Frieza's son. Besides eyes. Kuriza is a new Dragon Ball fighter that came long after Dragon Ball AF. This fighter first appeared after Vegeta became a destroyer, Broly hit old age, and well, we just learned that Frieza's race can, their population can increase by removing the special gem on their chests, where they can grow into new hatchlings. Kind of like the Namekian race, only they didn't have to upchuck their hatchlings. I feel like we're going to see more of Kuriza more often. You can tell by the spike on his skull that proves that he's special. Here is his tail. Hopefully, his brother Cooler, we'll get to meet him, along with Eyes. Hopefully we'll get to see him as well. We'll get to see the new offspring of Frieza. All credit for this goes out to Rising Fist. I hope to see them again soon. Rising Fist, if you're watching this, thank you for inspiring me to draw this fighter for you guys. I hope I get to meet you real soon in action.